to Caffeinoma and welcome to our reaction to Linkin Park, and we're going to react to the song Burn It Down. Let's get started with it.
Yeah. First time single take honestly reaction to this song. I like this. I like this.
I like the music. I like that machine sound of it. Not machine as exactly, but the automatic sounds that they had.
Keyboard sound. That's Mike Shinoda for you and another keyboard player. I don't know anyone else's names in Linkin Park, unfortunately.
Yeah, Chester Bennington.
Like most listeners and most people.
And Mike Shinoda.
Not too many know the other members of Linkin Park, sadly. This was a good song. This was a good song.
Vocally also very strong, right?
If it wasn't for those lines about the king, and I wouldn't really get it
Fantasy
completely.
kind of it.
Yeah, but that made a lot of sense. You know, I mean,
Did you get sense of it?
you help someone progress. You help someone grow. You help someone develop. You nurture them. you know, like a parent, like a follower, like an ardent fan. But then one day you realize that that same person is the one who's bearing you, who's putting you down, who's cracked,
It happens
you know,
all the time.
who's breaking your stride, who's breaking your legs. I won't say breaking your
Destroying
stride, but
you.
destroying you. Yeah, it's breaking you down.
Yeah.
So that is one example of it. There's another side of it that they themselves want to do that. They work so hard to build their reputation. I mean, whoever they're referring to, they work so hard to build their reputation, but then they themselves are pulling themselves down. You know, they build themselves up to burn themselves down. It makes a lot of sense. World leaders do it,
Yeah,
whether
all
it
the
is
time.
Trump or whether it is Biden now, they'll be doing the same thing. They keep doing it. Our leaders also do it. A lot of people do the same thing. They build themselves up so much, and then you see the reality one fine day, and they come crashing down in your eyes. They come crashing down in your eyes. Just like he bent and kissed his finger and his ring, he realized what the king was going to do to him next. Same way, we all realize what they do next. They beg us for the votes. They beg us for this. They beg us for the deals.
They lie,
and
manipulate.
then what they do, how they treat us, we see after that. So it's relevant in more ways than one. But maybe Linkin Park didn't think of all those things what I'm talking about. Maybe for them it was personal, as it usually is. So for all the depressing songs that they make, I must give them credit for at least entertaining us.
Okay.
You know, they do it in such an entertaining manner that you don't realize, oh, it's so depressing, the lines. So it's very entertaining. They put their heart, their soul into it. It's bubbly, it's energetic, it's downright playful at times to listen to Linkin Park. But beneath all that, there's a lot of depth and there's a lot of depression, as in the lines of this one.
Right. I enjoyed it. Musically, it's always very energetic. Linkin Park, you know, you listen to it and it pumps you with energy. Like the vocals, the way it goes, like the way it is arranged, the sound, it just sounds good. Every time I listen to Linkin Park, something or the other lingers in your mind. That specific
Fascinating.
It will ring.
Yeah, it's intriguing, it's fascinating
It's
stuff.
intriguing,
Beautiful
yes.
musical
And
arrangement.
also one thing I
and
noticed,
well
Savio,
sung.
that there are several other today's bands that are so-called metal bands and they are coming up and rising. They steal a lot of their things in a very
They also are like today's band,
yeah.
today's generation.
No, but they
Just
they are now
20,
going.
22
They're
years
going.
old.
They're
Yeah.
on the way out, and
They are out.
Yeah, they are
Linkin
out.
Park is out.
Yeah. Those who are
They'll never be the same
5 years
without
old or so, the
Chester.
current people, especially from different parts of the world, they try to steal some of their things and they pretend as if it was their own unique idea. So I've heard certain metal bands, specifically metal bands, that they steal their lyrics also and even their things little bit here and there, and they pretend as if they came up with it.
Yeah,
And they're
it's-
selling it.
It's as long as they don't really copy the same exact thing. I guess even Linkin Park must have had
Yeah, they
a
also
lot of
must have
people
had
who influenced them.
inspirations,
Having heard a lot of music, I can tell not too much of Linkin Park is original. It's just that they do it in a unique way, so you think it's original, but they too are inspired by their predecessors, and a lot of them.
Right.
That's very clear to me. And not just metal. So that's why you may not see the connection.
Right,
The beauty of
yeah,
Linkin
true.
Park is they are more influenced by hip hop and rap artists than metal.
Okay, yeah, get that. True.
Yeah, hence the depression.
It's the depression.
Yeah, lot of depression.
That's all for this reaction. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.